Are you tired of missing deadlines and feedback on Coursera? Learn exactly where to find all your notifications in under 30 seconds. You know the feeling. You log into a course, and suddenly you realize there was an important assignment due yesterday. Or maybe a peer gave you some feedback on your project, but you never saw it. It is frustrating, right? And it is a really common problem because the notification system on Coursera is not always obvious. But here's the good news. It is actually incredibly simple to fix. You just need to know where to look. And once you do, you will never miss an important update again. Here at AI Mastery, we build our tutorials around making your learning workflows as smooth and efficient as possible. So let me show you exactly how to stay on top of everything. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the 2 simple steps to access your notifications. Let us dive in. So, first things first, start by opening your browser and navigating to Coursera. Just head to the main website, the same place where you log into all your courses. Now, here is the thing. You might be used to jumping straight into your course dashboard or a specific class to see what has changed, and that makes sense. But the problem is, that method only shows you things related to that one course. You could easily miss something happening in a different class. That is why you want to go to the main homepage first. It is your central hub. It gives you a complete bird's eye view of everything going on across all your learning. So take a second and make sure you are on the main Coursera landing page after you log in. This right here is the starting point. All right, now this is the really important part. Look at the very top right corner of the page. Do you see it? There is a small bell icon. That is your notification center. It might seem tiny and easy to overlook, but it is incredibly powerful. So go ahead and click on that bell icon. Instantly, a drop-down menu appears. And there it is, all of your notifications, all in one place. You will see things like deadlines that are approaching, grades that have been posted, course announcements from your instructor, and replies from peers on your discussion forum posts. It is a single, simple window into your entire Coursera world. And here is a little tip from us at AI Mastery. Get into the habit of checking this bell every time you log in, even before you open a specific course. Just one quick click and you are fully informed. That way, you can prioritize your study time based on what is actually urgent, instead of guessing. And that really is all there is to it. From missing critical course notifications to staying on top of all updates with a single click, you are now set up for success. By simply going to the Coursera homepage and clicking that notification bell, you have completely streamlined your learning routine. No more digging through emails or hoping you did not miss something. You have total control and total awareness. Thanks so much for watching, and happy learning!